Hey fams, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Amy, CEO Plentitude, CEO Jack of all trades, CEO Master of all. Today we'll be making these beautiful sandals from scratch. Yes, from scratch. So for these sandals we'll be needing our foreign sole, our synthetic or China leather, our fiber paper, our 2mm macro. So now we'll be turning our foreign sole upside down on a art card or a paper just to get out our topper. Now you're going to trace the topper, you're going to trace the foreign sole round it and then cut it off. After which you would turn up the foreign sole and place our paper inside of it and make sure it fits. We're going to make sure we get the exact edges from the foreign sole so that our topper will not be too big or too small. We need to get the exact topper, just the way I'm doing here. Now we'll cut it out and then place it on our fiber and trace out accurately. We're going to be doing the same for the second foot. Now we'll place our fiber on our macro and trace it out so we can gum them together. So after this is done, place them properly so you don't waste your macro, and then trace it out like this. Now we'll be rubbing gum on our fiber and our macro. Next we'll be scraping our foreign sole with our sandpaper so that it can take in gum. Scrape properly and then we start applying our gum on our foreign sole. If you're still watching, please don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment, and please share. Let's get back into the class. So I allowed the gum to dry a bit on our macro and our fiber, and then I went ahead to put them together. You need to be very careful at this point so that your fiber and your macro will not go separate ways and it will stick properly. Then we're going to be doing the same for the next foot. Then we cut out. This is what we have after we've gummed our fiber and our macro together. Next we'll be hitting with a mallet. A Mallete, I don't know what this is actually the pronunciation for this, but we'll just hit them together so they stick properly. Next we'll rub our gum to our fiber and just let it sit for a while and dry up. Next up I went on tracing my pattern and cutting it out. Next I cut out my leather for the folding of my fiber and my macro so that it would not be noticeable. So I gave like half an inch allowance for. Then I started folding it so that it would look very nice. The topper will be very nice. And this is what I have after folding one leg. Yes, this is how it should come out. Now I'm done folding everything, even my design and my topper. So I just briefly placed it and then I started fitting it to my leg, trying to get the design I wanted. So I have to allow it dry a bit so that it would properly stay before I place my designs properly. Then I also had to rub gums at the tips of the designs to place so that when I'm placing them, they will properly stick. Our sandals is taking shape already. I'm going to leave the prices and the cost of all that I spent making these sandals. This is the final look. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Mwah.